We are talking about turning the time backwards. How many of us have said, I just want a time machine to take my skin, my body, everything back, I don't know, maybe 10 years or so? Well, if you're a woman, men too, we're not going to disclude you, but women especially, we've said this. We're going to keep saying it. It's just our nature. Dr. Tess is here with us this morning, along with one of her fabulous patients, Jennifer Reed. Thank you so much for coming in. How are you?
Oh, just fine.
We're talking about the time machine. That is exactly what this is called. Kind of explain what this is and why Jennifer's here with us today.
Well, the time machine, I have been able to figure out the very best combination procedures of all the wonderful technology that's available to really reverse and address all of the things that happen as we age on our skin, and that is resurfacing the skin, replumping, revolumization, reshaping, taking care of everything that's happening, because I always tell people that it's not that we've grown new skin, that's why we have loose, saggy skin as we age. It's really loss of volume, and the combination procedure, no surgery, is very, very attractive to people out there.
Absolutely.
And the ability to still look like you, looking natural, it's just years younger. That's why we call it time machine.
Jennifer, you started the time machine procedure. You started in December. What do you like most about it? How have the results been for you? I think we have some images too to bring up.
Oh, you do have some images. You do. Scary as they are, you have some images. My skin. I love the fact that my skin looks more youthful. It definitely looks refreshed. I think when most people see me, they say, wow, you look refreshed. And then they start going, what'd you do? So it definitely looks younger.
Looks like you got to sleep and go to Hawaii for a year, right? And
it was, because I left on my holiday, Christmas break, and I came back, and in fact, people came and said, wow, you look really refreshed. And then the closer they got, they started looking, going, what'd you do? Sign me up. Whatever you did, wherever you went, I want to do the same thing. So it was great.
I always, when we have people like you come in, we love to hear from Dr. Tess, but I love hearing from you too, because I think you're the people who really reach our viewers. What made you want to do this, and what would you say to people out there who maybe have a hesitation, they're nervous about doing it, maybe the financial commitment? What kind of put you over the edge? What made you do it?
Put me over the edge. I love that. Over the edge. You know what? It was, you're getting up, technically you're not tired when you wake up in the morning if you get a good night's sleep, but yet you're still looking in the mirror and you're looking tired, you're looking worn out, no matter what I did in the morning, getting up thinking I looked good, but you would still head off to work and they would say, wow, you're looking really tired, you have a bad night's sleep. And I'm thinking,
thanks.
Yeah, I mean, and they're not doing it to be, hurtful, but it's like, wow, and even my husband said, every morning you're getting up and while I think you're looking really great, you look in the mirror and you go,
yeah.
Right.
And heading out the door. Yeah, and you're heading out the door thinking you're doing great. Financially, you have to decide. I mean, everything's a trade-off, and you have to take a look at it. I'm telling you, this is far better than any plastic surgery. And cost-effective, yes. And Dr. Tess has all different plans that she can work out with you, too. She's fabulous, and there are all kinds of options that are there for you. If you don't have cash ready in hand, she has all kinds of plans that are there for you that she can work out.
Make it happen. It's true, and it's individualized, it's personalized. So when you come in for your consultation,
no two clients are the same.
Exactly, everybody's different. The skin type, but we can work with all skin types, all budget. There's really something for everybody. But if you are starting to feel like the way you feel on the inside is not reflected on how you look on the outside, we can fix it.
One thing real fast we got to get to before we close here today, you have a new book out, California Total Beauty, the book. I don't know when you had time to write a book, because you're one of the busiest people I know. But there's your book.
There it is.
Real fast, tell us a little bit about this.
This is actually a compilation of my patients' transformation stories, and what I've seen over the years, I've been practicing now for over 10 years, is that when we improve the way people look on the outside, like what we did with Jennifer, it truly creates a transformation on the inside.
And I think we all feel that way.
Absolutely.
Even when you try a new mascara for the day and you feel really pretty that day.
Why do we put makeup on? Why do we look good? It really is innate, and so that was what the book is about. We're trying to also connect the inner beauty to the outer beauty. I partner with my friend who is a wellness coach, and you get practical tips to really make you look your best on the outside, but also feel your best on the inside, to love ourselves and the skin that we're in, basically.
Ladies, thank you so much for coming in. What a good read that's going to be. And of course, there's all Dr. Tess's information.
Get it on Amazon.com and also on TotalBeauty.com.
And we have the information on our website, too. So if you didn't catch all that, didn't get a chance to write it down, go to our website. All right, thank you so much, ladies. So great to see you both.